The two biggest stock exchanges then, NSE, which is unlisted, and BSE, came out with its fourth quarter results yesterday. Vamakshi joins us to tell us how both the companies have fared in the last quarter of FY25, and she'll also wind it up with a valuation comparison. Vama, take it away.
Well, Nigel, BSE came out with a very strong set of numbers. NSE, on the flip side, had a rather weak, quarter that was the fourth quarter for BSE. Let's first look at how the numbers fared. Revenue saw an uptick of almost 10%. It's 10% higher as compared to what the analysts were also expecting. Largely, the revenue growth is being driven by transaction charges, which saw an uptick of almost 20%, as well as the other operating income, which is up nearly 12%. Treasury income and services to corporates, however, saw a dip this time around. When we look at the EBITDA margin, they have improved by around 58 basis points sequentially to 57.2%, slightly lower than what the street was penciling in, but the net profit has come in much higher as compared to street expectations, and that is because there was an SGF reversal of 109 odd crores as compared to a SGF contribution of 199 crores in the previous quarter. Resultantly, net profit is higher by almost 126%. Operational metrics, let's have a look at that as well. Average daily notional turnover saw a downtick of almost 35%, but on the flip side, the average daily premium turnover was up nearly 35%. The EPS for BSE is at 96.55 per share, and therefore the valuation for BSE is at around 65 times, much higher as compared to NSE, which is somewhere around the 30, above the 30 times mark for NSE. BSE has been seeing some market share gains as well. So, strong set of numbers from BSE. NSE, not a great set this time around.
All right, Vamakshi, thank you very much for that. That's a comparison. I mean, let's just put the valuation table, the last one, back up on air. 65 times compared to, I guess, a much more reasonable NSE, just at about 32 odd times earnings or so. So that is, some numbers which are coming through with regards to valuation comparison at this point in time.
I guess a couple of factors, right? Because of the valuation difference. One is because BSE is listed, NSE is unlisted. And the second factor is because BSE in index options, they have been continuing to gain market share. Last check, it was at around 20% approximately. And now they're talking about making some kind of penetration to the cash market. But otherwise, NSE, in the cash market, they are the leaders out there. They have been holding on to their market share as well. And the larger player, in fact, trading at a discount, I think it's only because it's unlisted as of now.
Absolutely, and I think that is, absolutely the case. And we'll continue to sort of dive in. And BSE, of course, is a big gainer today, but we'll have to look at the overall perspective because there is a the larger player is unlisted, which perhaps many are expecting to get listed sooner rather than later. Paytm is